Bye, Winston. Come here, dogs. You want a treat? Come here, you want a treat?
Brian. You'll be fine. No, that's it. I'm gonna shake it out.
Yo, what's good, shawty? Yo, man still around?
Sam,
Hey, Sam!
Here.
Sam! Sam! Babe, where's Sam at? Sam! Hey, Sam! Sam, where you at? Sam!
Oh my god.
If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands.
Hey, you liking the view, Mac? How's it look out there? You like that? Be careful, I might have to stop real soon. You never know.
What the fuck is that fucking thing?
What the fuck? Hello?
What? Chill.
Scary.
Yo, I'm gonna check his vibe. What are you?
Yeah, what are you?
Bad vibe!
Oh. Oh. Look, look, look.
Everyone with the dog, try this. Gasp really dramatically and film your dog's reaction. It's hilarious.
Sit.
Sit.
Sit. Oh. Do you want me to die? You just want to be homeless and have me bleed out? There's no chicken in the homeless world. No rotisserie chicken.
Hey guys, so guess what? Yesterday I went for a ride to Grandma's house. And when I got to Grandma's house, I showed her all the new dog toys I got. And then after I went for a walk to the dog park.
Your checking account available balance is $12,617,290.56.
What?
Don't be suspicious. 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 Don't be suspicious.
Willow, where'd she go? Willow, where is she? Willow, where'd you go? Willow, come on. Willow, where did she go? Willow, Willow, where are you?
That's it. You're being put up for adoption. You are? You've been very naughty. You played in the bed? Yes, you did. You stole socks? Yes, you did. No excuses. Skya? Oh, I'm sorry. It's just a joke, baby girl. I'm sorry.
Larry! You got me. Yes, you found me. You did.
Woo!